Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'll be showing you how to achieve these simple twists. And this is my protective style in most situations. I'm going to rock with it for 1 week. As you can see, the curls are so curly. So let's head over to the tutorial. Let's start making the flat twist, and I'm going to use this Shea Moisture, which is a curl enhancing smoothie, and this is the products. Then you're gonna need this brush just to brush off the hair on the tips. I'm going to start with this side, and I'll partition here because I want my flat twist to face on certain side. So first I'll try to make this a straight line. That looks better. Then I'm going to start with this. I will not be making small or big flat twist, just normal size, because I want it to last for some few days. This is the first. Then you're gonna go in with the curling cream, which is this Shea Moisture. I like the smell. Once it's finger detangled and I ensure like the curls will be smooth, I'll go ahead and make a flat twist. Divide the hair into 2 equal portions. Towards the end, I'll just brush a little bit. Scoop a little bit and then just finger detangle it to ensure the flat twist will be smooth and coily. Bunch, and you can see the hair is curly, and although it has the whitish substance, but it will just fade away with time. So let's go to the next bunch. This is the final look, and you can see the twists are so curly. And just to make it look beautiful, I'll just add a few accessories, which are these metallic. That is it for today. Until next time, see you. Bye.